Hello, just a quick video in here. I'll show you how to change the logo or the boot up logo on your T12V2. Let's first go to File Manager. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna need to find where we save our photos. In my case, they are saved on downloads. And then we need to pick which particular photos are we gonna use. So for this case, we're gonna pick this particular logo, and we're gonna need to click that checkbox, hit copy, and then we're gonna transfer it to the folder that says logo. So we're just gonna need to paste it in there. So this one, it says logo, then click paste. All right, it says operation complete. We're gonna go to settings, and then we're gonna go to factory. Password is 123456. Just a warning, don't make any changes on this particular screen if you don't know what you're doing. Okay, so don't make any changes if you don't know what you're doing. You don't want to mess up your device. So on this one's logo setting, and then we're gonna pick up that logo and click on logo setting, and it says set logo complete. Let's test it. We're gonna need to restart. So confirm restart, and let's see. There you go. Quick and easy. Thank you for watching.